Good morning, world. Let's get on the road and then I will give you a little idea of where we're going to go. Right, now we're on the road. Excellent. Right, so today it's going to be back to the old country lanes because we love them in the UK, but I will include a couple of pit stops. I've noted that many people do enjoy the trips to lakes, and so I've tried to search out as many lakes as possible in my area so I can show you as many as I can. Obviously a ride on a motorcycle, for those that are purists, they love that. They love just the ride. They probably love the sound of the engine. They love the sound of the exhaust. I'm afraid I have no clutch because this is a DCT, an automatic bike, so I can't rev the engine without the bike moving forward. You know, I'm a traveler, and I think most motorcyclists will also agree. They're travelers too. They like going from A to B, and obviously the mode of transport helps, but it's more about the experience, the journey there. And so I try to offer not just the experience of the bike, but also experience of the area. And when COVID-19 lets up a little more and we can travel internationally more freely, hopefully I will venture to other international destinations and we can enjoy some of the scenery there. But for now, it's wonderful Britain, and I'm trying to find good spots that aren't too far away, because obviously when you go to a very distant place, then having pit stops on the way just prolongs the whole journey, and it can cause great fatigue to the rider. So I'm trying to find places which are relatively close and are still appealing to the viewer. And let's hope all that comes together today.
tell it again. Oh, I ain't got time to lose, and I'll be what I am. I got a big bad motor, and you know it's a mean machine. You know I keep it running, and I keep it running clean. I keep my cool when things get hot, but I'm a son of a gun. Oh, you know when times get rough, and baby, I'm the one. I got a big bad motor, and you know it's a mean machine. You know I keep it running, and I keep it running clean. Rock steady, yeah. Rock steady, yeah. Put the pedal to the metal, and the tires scream, leave the smell of money. lots of fun.
I'm in California where it never rains. You and I were fighting and I needed space. Every day is sunny, oh that's what they say. Since I landed here it's raining every day. You and I are stormy too. Wonder if I'm good for you. Are we ignoring the truth? You like to pull me apart. Do you love me? Do you not? Either way you had me from the start. Maybe the rain will pass soon and leave us with a super blue. Baby, I know it's been a rough June. I hope we make it to our super blue. Drove into the desert to look at the stars. Wonder where we're going and where we are. Tell me why a flower, will he break my heart? Did we stop growing cause it got too hard? You and I are stormy too. Wonder if I'm good for you. Are we ignoring the truth? You like to pull me apart. Forget me, forget me not. Either way you had me from the start. Maybe the rain will pass soon.
Thank you very much for watching, and I need to apologize because this video is longer than it should have been, but there were so many pit stops and even after editing I just couldn't get it much shorter. Anyway, until next time, have a good life, stay safe and ride safe. And if you did like this, please do me a favor, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you very, very much again.
Blue.